Dura-pump technology, empty water tank alarm and system restore function. It has a capacity of coverage area as extensive as that for rooms of 57m3. This shows that the cooling experience with Diet 50i goes far and wide. Consuming only 170 W, Diet 50i is an energy-saving resource. This will favor low electricity billing and will prove to be a huge relief to the pocket. The system restore function helps to remember and restore previous settings so as to assure ease and save time for the user when the smart cooler is being operated. The honeycomb pad absorbs remainder dust particles and cleanses air thoroughly, suitably ensuring sanitized and consistent airflow. High-efficiency honeycomb pad and full-function remote with 7-hour timer. Powerful air throw with auto swing and inbuilt remote dock. Electroplated motor cover, blade bracket, down rod and canopy. Contact us on 180010311313. 5 blades made of high quality wood. Light on or off and speed controlled by pull chains. Powerful motor with silent operation. Sweep, 1320 mm. Warranty, 2 years on product.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.